In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from the Repocket app. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Repocket app, and when you're on the home page, you should see this option at the top, which tells you your balance, and it also tells you how much is pending. Now, if we click this information button in the top right corner, it actually tells us that the first $20 earned lets us withdraw. And then it says after that, you can cash out with just $10. So if it's your first time withdrawing from Repocket, we will actually have to earn $20 before we can withdraw. So once you've reached that $20 limit, you'll then be able to actually withdraw. So you can tap the withdraw button on screen, and from there, you'll get taken to this page. You then have to choose a payment method where you can withdraw to, and as you can see, there are 4 options. You can choose to withdraw via PayPal, Wise, Stripe, or via USDT. So you can choose whichever one suits you best, and from there, you'll be able to withdraw your money from the Repocket app. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.